Thank you for joining me today. We are going to be looking at integers again today, but looking at multiplication and division. So straight away, I'm going to go to my rules and then we're going to think about the meaning of this and how it applies to multiplication and division. So we know a negative and a positive equals a negative. We know a positive and negative equals a negative. We have two negatives turned into a positive. I'm going to give an example now. So 2 times negative 3. We'll first go through the answer and then I'll show you why and the meaning. So we know a negative and a positive equals a negative. So we've got a negative and then we just go 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Now, this is sea level. A friend of mine, sea level is 0. So if a friend of mine dived down negative 3 meters. So went down negative 3 meters. I doubled the distance that they went down. So I went negative 3 plus I added on a negative 3. So I went two lots of negative 3 because I doubled how deep they went equals negative 6. So I went negative 6 feet below sea level. So that's where we can see that a negative and a positive still equals a negative number. Now, I'll actually leave that there for a minute. Now, if we are looking at we know a negative and a positive equals a negative. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So we know that negative 20 divided by 5 equals negative 4. And a really good example of this is saying we owe $20 and it is shared between 5 people. So each person is now in debt $4. So they are losing $4. So that's why it's got a negative sign there. It's negative 4. Negative $4 that they are losing. One last example that I'm going to be doing is this. Negative 3 times negative 4. So we know that a negative and a negative, we're thinking about our rules. The opposite of a negative is a positive. So we already know our answer is going to be a positive number. And then I go, what's 3 times 4? 3 times 4 equals 12. So, hopefully you're starting to understand a bit more about integers. If you need any extra assistance, feel free to send me a line, a post, and I'll get back to you with another video just for you.